Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making these delicious chocolate-covered strawberry cookies. That's right, we're going to combine cookies and chocolate-covered strawberries into one delicious and easy dessert. So let's get started. In a large bowl, we're going to cream together softened butter and sugars. You can use a hand or stand mixer for this, but I'm using a whisk. First, I just mixed the butter by itself to loosen it up a bit, and now I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to mix everything up and keep mixing for about 2 minutes. Once everything is nice and creamy, I'm going to add in the egg and pink food coloring. I'm using powdered food coloring. You can also use gel food coloring. We're going to give everything a mix until it's fully incorporated. In this recipe, I'm using freeze-dried strawberries to flavor the cookie instead of fresh strawberries or a strawberry jam because I find it gives the most intense strawberry flavor. Now I'm going to grind up the freeze-dried strawberries into a fine powder. Once that's done, we're going to sift in the dry ingredients into the egg mixture. I have here flour, baking powder, and salt. Now I'm adding in the ground strawberries, and we're going to mix up everything until it's fully combined. The full recipe is available in the description box below, and if there are any other cookie flavors that you would like me to make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Now we're going to cover this with some plastic wrap and refrigerate for an hour. You can also make this up to 2 days ahead and refrigerate until you're ready to use it. Now I'm using a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop. You can also use a regular spoon to measure out my cookie dough balls. You can roll them out or leave them as is. This goes into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once the cookies are baked, make sure to let them cool down completely. And while the cookies are cooling, go ahead and melt your chocolate using a microwave or double boiler. Now it's time to decorate. I'm dipping half of the cookie into the melted chocolate like so and wiping off the excess chocolate on the edge of the bowl. We're going to do this to all of our cookies and then add sprinkles of your choice before the chocolate sets. If you want the chocolate to set faster, you can refrigerate this for up to 30 minutes. You can find many more cookie recipes as well as this one on my website, thefoodflamingo.com, so make sure you go check that out as well. And here it is, the final product. These cookies not only taste delicious, but they look so adorable as well, which makes for a perfect gift. They have a soft and chewy center with slightly crisp edges and the perfect amount of strawberry flavor. And when you combine that with the dark chocolate, these cookies are literally amazing. So make sure you try it out and let me know in the comments how you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video if you liked it. Thanks for watching.